Welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel. We're going to be doing some gutter brightening today together, so stay tuned. Guys, welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice to beginners. You guys, we already started here. We've done already like a 16-foot section. Hopefully you guys can see on there real good the difference. Don't worry guys, I'm going to explain this in detail to you guys. We're actually here doing a couple of things here. We've already been on the roof and we cleaned up that nasty chimney up there. That thing was black, man. Black. And we're also doing all the concrete work here as well. This house, by the way, because we always talk about this on the channel, how we got this job. This job here is actually one of our, he's like, I want to say he has a construction business, but what it is really like a remodeling business. So they buy a lot of houses. We do approximately, 18 to 30 jobs for this one customer every year. And this is one of the 8. In the last, I want to say 2 weeks, we've done 8 of these for him. So that's how we got him. Now we got him through networking. Something I talk, about that a lot. It was through a local BNI. BNI stands for Business Networking International. In every single town in America, guys, every major city in America will have your local BNI groups. But anyway, so we're here because he thought that he was going to have to get these gutters replaced. I explained to him that we can make them look brand new. Look at this, guys. Let me get up here so I can show you. Look at this. So you can see up there, guys, one side is completely man, it almost looks like the smoke damage, burned. It's like all black and gray. Now look at this side here that we've already done. All right, and let me show you here real quick the chemical that we're using for this. And guys, by the way, look at this right here, right there, guys. You see it? Even has the cost there for you. ITD Gutter Bright. ITD Gutter Bright. So I'm gonna explain this to you guys. Oh, by the way, before I do forget, because you guys are gonna blow me up in the comment section. The way we did the mix here, guys, is as follows. You saw that bottle is halfway. So half a gallon of mix, 1 gallon of water. So what we did first is we put a gallon of water in there, and then we put half a gallon of the solution. You can see right here, this looks really good right here, guys, right here. You can really see the difference there. And what Miguel's doing here, guys, is we got a soft thistle brush. Okay, soft thistle brush. We got one of these extension poles. It goes up to, I think, like 16 feet. But anyway, so the first thing that you want to do, and we already did this off camera, we went around and we wet all of this. We wet the gutters really good. And when you're doing this, guys, and you can see it in real time, look at that. I mean, the stuff comes off like butter, guys. Like butter. Look at that. And what you want to do, and this is what Miguel's doing, he'll do an 8-foot section. He sees that all that black grime is gone. He'll grab his gun there. He's using soft washing from his AR-45, and he'll go ahead and do a soft rinse, just getting the chemical off, because you just want to do just enough just to be able to rinse it down. And I tell you guys this all the time, all the time. With gutter brightening, you don't want that stuff sitting there for a long time. I mean, you saw it. He literally, guys, just finished brushing. Look, right here again, look. So he's just finished brushing. He put it down, and now he's rinsing it off, because you see there, what was that, 20 seconds ago, that was all black and gray. Now it's all looking good. So you saw the solution there, 1 gallon of water, half a gallon of that ITD ITD Chemical. And I'll put here in the comment section, not the comment section, guys, I'm sorry, the description for you. I'll put the link. If you go to the description of this video, I'll put the link where you can get this chemical on there, okay? Now, as far as pricing, okay, this is very important. As far as pricing, we charge, and this is us, this is my company, Mr. Bubbles. It might look a little bit different for you in your area. We charge $189 per side. You guys got that? Like, for example, if this house had 4 gutters all around, we would charge $189 times 4. It doesn't, and I'll show you back here real quick. Real quick. It has just, it looks exactly like the front. Has another gutter right there. You see that? And once he's finished up front, he's gonna come over here and he's gonna go through the same process down there. So we charged $189 times 2. Now, like I said, this customer here, we do multiple properties, and every property we go to, you know, we're doing multiple things, and you know, so we put together a sweet package for them. Sweet package because, you know, you want to take care of your customers that keep you fed. Look at that right here. And by the way, I got to tell you this, guys. Look at that. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, you know, your pricing PDF, your for example, you know, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO. And the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300. This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and afters pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos. So they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. Make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really, really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. Look at that, guys. Soft thistle brush, guys. I mean, the stuff comes off like hot knife through butter, guys. Hot knife through butter. And then he'll come through and he'll rinse it off. I got to tell you this. So this customer right here, when was this? A month ago, we ended up doing his house. And it just so happened to be Miguel and Jamie there at his house. Guys, that customer gave them a $300 tip, guys. $300. Now every time I have one of his houses, I tell him, you know, hey, this house is for so-and-so. It's another one of his properties. Man, they come, they take such, that guy takes such good care of my guys. Always with awesome tips. And what I do, I don't think I've ever mentioned this on video. So their checks, you know, these guys, they're on 1099s. They're not on W-2s. And they get checks every week at the end of the week. And it's all through the accountant. And, you know, it all gets registered through the accountant. And the point being is that when they get tips or bonuses of any kind, that we give to them cash every week in their paycheck. And I remember because that week, when they got $300, it was $150 each. Man, I remember that week between both of them, they got over $400 between both of them. So it was like close to $250. I want to say it was $235, $238, something like that. And just tips that people gave to them. You know, you guys go out there, you know, if you're a solo operator, guys, you're out there, you're taking good care of people. People, man, they'll do right by you if you do a good job for people. And again, guys, you can see right there. I mean, wow. It's night and day difference, guys. And like I said, you know, he was worried about having to replace the entire gutter. And we were able to come here and knock this out. Lickety split just like that. But there you have it. You know, hopefully that's why I do this channel, guys, is to teach you how to do things so you're not going out there and making mistakes, right? And one more thing I want to say about gutter brightening before I let you guys go is this. Now, like I told you, we had never used this product before, right? And because I never used this product before, what I did is I started off with a weak solution because I don't know what the product is going to do. And then we noticed that, you know, as soon as it touched the gutter, it was good. We didn't need it to make it any stronger or any weaker. It was perfect the way it was. But here's the but. If it would not have come out good, then I would have dumped the rest of that and then I would have made a 50-50 mix. So whenever you're dealing with solution that you don't know anything about, you always want to start, you know, with like the weakest possible and kind of, you know, raise up your solution from there. And I was willing to, you know, that's why I bought an extra bottle, because what I teach my guys is, you know, go up all the way to 50-50. If it doesn't do anything, then dump that other bottle. And then eventually, you know, essentially you're making, you know, almost like 100% mix, like a 80% mix. But the bottom line is I gave you guys the exact formula. If you use that same chemical, which I recommend, it's very good. You guys know this, that, you know, I've been in the game for 13 years and man, wow. Guys, I've used every chemical you can think of. I've used your gutter butters and your, what is that thing called? I actually like that a lot. Mean Green. Mean Green, guys. I like that as well. LA Awesome is another one that I use a lot. But now, you know, that ITD Gutter Bright, I mean, that's the only one that I'm going to use for this specific purpose. And you guys saw a couple weeks ago, we did a, what was that thing called? A oxidation removal job. And we used the product from this same company. So, you know, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. But there you have it, guys. It's pretty much that simple. Nothing super complicated, you know. You just got to know what you're doing with the chems. I tell you guys this all the time. Experience, chemical knowledge, commercial grade equipment. And man, it's a lot of money, lots and lots of money to be made out there, guys. But anyway, hopefully you got some good information out of this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Bubbles channel. As always, I appreciate you guys. Make sure, guys, make sure you email me because, man, I got some great content for you guys. Always right around the corner. I have resources to share with you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.